We do not see the universe as it is. We see it as we are. What if the truth has been screaming at us for decades, yet we chose to call it a natural phenomenon? In the summer of 1977, a telescope in Ohio received a signal so powerful it was printed with the word "wow" beside it, 72 seconds long, on the exact frequency of hydrogen. For one brief moment, humanity thought it had heard its first greeting from the stars. Some hoped for little green men, others dismissed it immediately. Years later, they called it a comet or nothing at all. But the signal was never repeated. Since that day, we have cataloged thousands of strange pulses. Each time we give them comfortable names and look away. This is not just a story about aliens. This is a story about us. About the limits of our perception. Imagine everything we call cosmic noise is actually part of a vast conversation we have mistaken for wind. Modern astronomy tells us the universe is full of natural explanations. But what if our explanations are only the limits of our imagination? Fast radio bursts, FRBS. Millisecond flashes brighter than entire galaxies. Science says they are magnetars. But what if that is only what we can see? Imagine an ant walking across a smartphone screen. It feels warmth and sees light, but will never understand it crossed an ocean of human conversation. We are that ant. We insist advanced civilizations must use radio waves and mathematics, tools we have only just discovered. This is cosmic arrogance. What if they speak in gravity itself? What if they send libraries of information we lack the senses to decode? The real question is not whether we are alone. The real question is whether we are even qualified to know if we are not alone. Perhaps the greatest threat to humanity is not invasion. It is our own refusal to see. Throughout history, we protected our minds with comforting stories. Now, strange signals from space are simply called physics. What if the supernova we classified last year was not the death of a star, but a final scream of warning from a dying civilization? What if some gamma-ray bursts are actually distress calls from societies being erased? We label them natural within hours and move on. This is motivated blindness, a psychological shield against existential shock. The real danger is that we stand right next to the truth and call it coincidence. Coincidence is the favorite excuse of the ignorant. We have built telescopes that can see to the beginning of time, yet we remain blind to what is happening right now. They may communicate through quantum entanglement or by using black holes as giant transmitters. Perhaps the most advanced civilizations left biology behind long ago. We are still listening for voices like ours, while they may be rewriting the laws of physics to send their thoughts. One day we may reply to a greeting with hostility simply because we did not understand the language. Our greatest mistake may not be missing the signal. It may be misunderstanding it completely. The cosmos has never been silent. We have simply not yet learned how to read its words. Every time you look up at the night sky, every time your radio catches a strange pulse, ask yourself this question. Is that really just cosmic wind, or is it a voice waiting for someone to finally understand? We are not alone. We are simply unread. This has been The False Silence. Keep looking, keep listening. The stars are whispering. If this journey opened your eyes to the false silence of the universe, hit like, share it with those who seek the truth, and subscribe for more whispers from the stars.